Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be telling a great resource through which you can see a 3D view of GitHub contribution. So it's a kind of motivation for you to contribute more to the open source. So let's see how it looks, and let's dive in the video.
So here on the screen, as you can see, this is the homepage of GitHub. So we'll be watching GitHub CT today. So for that, I will click on New tab and search GitHub CT, and I will click on the first link. It will open. So it's basically a 3D CT way of your GitHub contribution. So you will be selecting your particular year, the GitHub username of anyone you want to see their like 3D CT, and just click on create. It will create the 3D CT. Okay. So if I go to GitHub and search for Kunal Kushwaha, I will uh, Kunal Kushwaha. It's a GitHub repo. So just I want his GitHub account. So I will click on Kunal Kushwaha. So it's his GitHub account. He has a bunch of followers, a very active contributor of open source. So I will just take his username and I will put here GitHub username, and I will search for 2021 because I guess 2022 he have not contributed much. So I will search for 2021 and I will click on create. So it will create a 3D city view. So here it is. You can see very good looking 3D city view of contributions of Kunal Kushwaha. So big buildings here means he have contributed much on this or on that particular day, and there are small buildings too. So it's a kind of motivation for you also, like if you want to see your 3D city view of GitHub contribution. So it's a kind of motivation, like you will be getting to motivate that like I have to make big buildings like him. So for that I have to contribute much. So it's a kind of motivation also, and also it looks good to, like, three see a kind of drone view of a 3D city that consists of your GitHub contributions, right? So we will wait a bit of time and watch this 3D city in a kind of drone view. It's looking great, right? There are buildings, then like see there ships are sailing, so it so looks good in a drone view. I will just minimize also, so it's looking great, right? There are clouds also, so it's so much beautiful 3D city. So just we will wait for some time and then I will close again. So this is what I have to show today, and like you can watch anyone's GitHub city. So like just click on GitHub username of their particular person username, and just select the particular year and just create, and this will create this kind of 3D city, and it looks great really.
I hope you have watched the video till the end, and it has motivated you in some way. If it does, then do give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more such content, and see you in the next video.